In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between workspaces in Lovable. If you work in more than one workspace, knowing how to move between them quickly can save time and help you stay organized. This is especially useful if you separate personal projects from team projects, or if you manage different clients or environments inside Lovable. The good news is that switching workspaces is very simple once you know where to look. To begin, look near the top area of the Lovable interface for your current workspace name. Next to that workspace name, you'll see a small arrow. This arrow opens the workspace menu, which is where you can view the other workspaces available to you. Go ahead and click on the arrow beside the workspace name. Once the menu opens, take a moment to look through the list. You should see the available workspaces displayed there. This list allows you to confirm which workspace you're currently in and choose a different one if needed. If you have several workspaces, it helps to read the names carefully before selecting, so you don't accidentally open the wrong one. Now select the workspace you want to switch to. As soon as you click it, Lovable will move you into that workspace. After the switch, the workspace name shown at the top should update to reflect your new selection. That's the easiest way to confirm that the change was successful. If the interface looks different after switching, that's completely normal. Each workspace may contain different projects, settings, or collaborators, so the content you see can change depending on which one you open. That's why it's always a good idea to glance at the workspace name before you start making edits, just to make sure you're in the right place. If you don't see the workspace you expect, double-check the list in the workspace menu and make sure you have access to it. In some cases, available workspaces depend on your account permissions or invitations that have already been accepted. And that's it. To switch between workspaces in Lovable, simply click on the arrow next to the workspace name and select the workspace you want. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast part of your workflow and makes navigating between projects much easier.